Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to upload hotel and room photos to your booking engine page using the Bookingjini Channel Manager. Let's get started. First, log into your Bookingjini Channel Manager account. In the top right corner, click on Manage. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Files. Once you're in the File Manager, click on the Photos section. Here, you'll see two options: Property and Room Type. To upload photos of the overall property, select the Property tab. To upload photos specific to individual rooms, click on Room Type. Next, go to the top right and click the Upload button. Choose your photos and upload them. Once the photos are uploaded, make sure to tag them under the correct room categories. This helps ensure they display properly on your booking engine page. And that's it. Your photos are now live and will automatically appear during the guest booking process. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us using the contact details provided. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and check out our other videos for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.